Today is a beautiful day. Ouch. What the hell was that? That hurt so bad. Oh, my God. My arm.
What's going on? Oh my God, what happened to your arm?
I don't know, some huge rock just hit my arm.
We gotta take you to the hospital.
Okay. I'm so lucky I didn't get hit in the head, 'cause that would be so painful.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
The nurse will be here soon.
Okay.
And the bad news. The storm is getting closer.
Oh God. Is this a joke?
What? No. I'm serious.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.
It's y'all again. What's the problem here?
Titan cameraman got hit by a big rock.
Oh, that's feel painful, homie.
Yad.
I'll do this fast, because the storm is getting closer.
Okay.
Ah.
Do you feel your arm?
Yay.
Okay, now hurry, go to shelter.
Okay.
Geez, that was fast.
Where the hell are they? We need to hurry.
Sorry, we use our jetpack to fly here.
Yad.
Okay, but where were y'all? I've been looking for y'all.
Titan cameraman got his arm hurt, and we fix it.
Oh crap, the tornado is coming down. Hurry, get inside. Looks like the storm is getting bad.
Yeah.
Tornado.
What the heck was that intro?
Yeah.
Whatever, let's just chill.
Who was that?
I don't know. Maybe someone is hung.
We should get the food next time.
I have ability stupid.
Oh, and don't call me stupid.
Fine, geez. Let me just...
How did you just... Oh yeah.
Geez, that looks good. Now pause. I know this video will make you get Wingstop. Now, oh, you'll be like, I want some Wingstop too. Now let's continue.
I don't know what was that, but whatever.
Okay guys, let's gather up and eat wings.
Wow, that was good wings.
Yad. I'm going to check outside.
Okay, but be careful.
Oh hell nah, there's a tornado. I must tell them that there's a tornado. Guys, there's a tornado.
Well, that's good. Well, that's no good.
We need to block the... What was that?
Take cover.
Tornado. Wait, why is there's an explosion?
I don't know. Is it gone?
I think so.
Then let's get out. And our fucking house is destroyed.
Dan, do chill.
I hate tornadoes so bad.
We will do something about the tornado. Who's that?
Need a ride.
G-Man, you look different.
Yeah.
But why are you a tornado chaser?
Ah, that's just my gig at Chad.
Wait, what?
Ah, that's just my side gig. Now hurry, get it.